They say you must seize the day, conquer the morning, win the hour. But what if the greatest victory is a quiet refusal?
Are you tired of this 5-second clips and this constant paywalls? What if you could do this? A full 3-minute cinematic video for free. This is MovieFlow AI, and it's a complete game changer. I've put the link in the description. You can sign up with Google and you're in. Today's star, MovieFlow AI, takes a very unique and extremely creator-friendly approach. It doesn't rush to charge you like other AI video generators. Instead, it allows users to create video content without any upfront payment. Powered by a smart AI video agent and a massive library of ready-to-use templates, it can generate videos up to 3 minutes long for free. Simply put, you only need to consider payment if you choose to remove the watermark for commercial use. This gives us plenty of room to test at zero cost. Before testing those cool AI video templates, let's first go over MovieFlow's basic features. You need a solid foundation to get the best results. First up is the agent mode. Just like any other AI video agent, all you need to do is describe the video you want to create. Of course, experience tells us the more detailed your prompt, the better the results. Next, select the video language from the list. Here's a key option. Pay attention to this. If you have your own movie or story script, turn off the auto script option. Conversely, if you want the AI to generate a new script for you, keep it on. This feature is incredibly useful for users who need to produce content quickly. Then, choose your video duration and aspect ratio, and click Generate to start the process. The AI agent will then create everything for you. If you want to make edits, click the Edit icon to open the editor page. From there, you not only can edit the video manually, but you can even simply ask the AI to make changes through chat. This conversational tweaking is really convenient. Once editing is complete, click the Export button to render the final video. Okay, if agent mode was the foundation, then this next feature, the Inspiration Lab, is MovieFlow's other core advantage. It's a collection of ready-to-use AI video templates that make the content creation process easier and faster. You no longer need to brainstorm your shots from scratch. There are 2 ways to use this feature: from agent mode by clicking the Inspiration Lab icon, or by browsing the Inspiration Lab showcase directly, which is grouped into categories such as narrative, music video, education, commercial, 2D anime, and 3D anime. It has pretty much everything you could need. MovieFlow also keeps templates updated with recent events. For example, to get ready for Halloween, they recently launched Halloween templates, like Spooky Night and Jack-o'-lantern Party Invitation. Very thoughtful. To create a video with a template, simply select the one you want to use and click the Try This button. But please remember, this is important. Every template has its own specific parameter requirements. So make sure to read the instructions and provide the required details in the prompt section. For example, when I use the Jack-o'-lantern Party Invitation template, I must upload a photo of my costume or the party location, otherwise the AI won't know what to feature. Continue by adjusting the other settings, and once everything is ready, click the Generate button to start the process. Talk is cheap, so now let's move on to trying out some AI video templates. This will give you a better understanding of how the tool works in action and the kinds of results you can expect. To create an AI music video from a template, go to the Template Gallery and select the Music Video tab. Choose the video template you want to use. In the prompt bar, I entered my detailed instructions. Song duration, 1 minute. Concept, a cyberpunk story about urban loneliness. Visuals, neon lights, rainy night, close-up shots. Mood, melancholy but hopeful. Storyline, a girl walks in the rain, sees a holographic billboard, and finally smiles on a rooftop. See, I gave it all the key information. Then adjust the remaining video settings and click Generate. To create a video ad for your product or service, go to the Commercial tab. Select the video style you like and click Try This. Similarly, I enter my product information in the prompt bar. Video concept: a 30-second ad for a new coffee bean. Visuals: early morning, sun-drenched kitchen, slow motion. Mood: warm, cozy. Storyline: show a close-up of the coffee beans, then a shot of a person drinking the coffee and looking satisfied. This prompt is perfect for a business presentation. Adjust the settings and click Generate.
What if the greatest victory is a quiet refusal?
A rebellion not of noise, but of stillness. An insurrection of one. To build a sanctuary, not of walls, but of minutes. To become, for a moment, unreachable. And to arrive. Not somewhere else, but here.
With MovieFlow, you can also easily create anime content. It has two categories: 2D anime and 3D anime. This time, let's create a 3D anime video. Just go to the 3D anime tab and select the video style you like. In the prompt bar, I entered my story. Video concept: two magical apprentices searching for a forbidden book in an ancient library. Visuals: 3D Pixar style, magical lighting effects. Storyline: they tiptoe past bookshelves. A book suddenly glows and they look at each other in surprise. Adjust the remaining video settings and click Generate. Thank you for watching this MovieFlow AI review and tutorial. What are your thoughts on this tool? What interesting results did you get? Feel free to share your experience in the comments below. Now, I'm curious, what are you most excited to use it for? An ad, a music video, or an anime short? Drop your answer in the comments. If you found this tutorial helpful, please be sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.